So in 2010, 11, I was in Brisbane when the floods happened there, and friends of mine and family members of friends lost houses. I think like 250,000 people were affected, about 35 people died, and it was a very surreal time. And one of the things I noticed was all the white goods were coming out of the houses, out onto the streets with the water everywhere. So I wrote this poem called Fridge. Fridge floats down river, worries about mud lice and loss of power. Stops in no parking zones, will recall a brief encounter with a gospel piano. Enters the playground of roofs, yields nothing to hungry dogs or startled onlookers. Born to be full of beer, once dated an esky. No longer holds blood orange and old sausage. Bumps into bridges, asks nothing of riverbank. Mourns broken seals, steals past ships. Notes other white goods on top of cars, at the bottom of swimming pools. Touches overhead branches, hovers over houses, is alarmed by outboard motor. Cannot avoid direct sunlight, releases carbon slowly into brown, surging water. Drifts past factories, plays dodgem with bus stops, glides through the drive-through, carries no change, does not order a sundae, bears more than its own weight, ferries the last of the seagulls, wishes for a raincoat, finds a broken umbrella, asks a drowned cat, how many lives, how many lives?